Welcome to our latest segment of Unity News, Unity Video News, our newly named little programme. And today we're going to be thinking about really what's going on in the next few months before Christmas. And of course, one of the most important things that happens before Christmas is Advent, and the Advent booklet that we always send out to people at this time of year. And so would you like to tell us a little bit more about it, Kim-Marie?
Yes, we haven't actually got copies in the office at the moment. It's on its way. It's flying across the Atlantic as we speak. But it's all about holding that knowing of hope, of faith, affirming peace and love and joy as our truth, and the regular daily readings, beautiful pictures and poems, and very supporting words in there. So yes, if anybody wants to order their Advent booklet, they can easily do so by calling and picking up the phone or going onto the website. There are links there that enable you to do that. We also have our wonderful Unity calendars that we advertise, the wall calendars, which beautiful pictures of Unity Village, lovely quotes in there, plenty of space to write all your important appointments, including all the events that we do at Unity. So if you're interested, again, there's links for that online, or you can call the office. And I also want to talk about actually studying in Unity. We've been very much focusing on that at the moment, various meetings and things going on, and talking about how when we dive more deeply into Unity and what Unity teaches, it changes us. We understand ourselves and our Unity principles and find ways to live them that change us from within, which changes our outer life experience. I personally experienced that profoundly when I did all of my study. And at one level, the studying never ends, but by doing it very consciously with intention and focus, it does make a difference to us. And we're looking at how we can support people through studying for personal development and also into leadership and ministerial training. The wonderful thing about Unity in this country is that there are so many ways in which we can serve. It's not limited to just church. You can also serve by supporting Silent Unity in the prayer line. So there are many ways to really use Unity to make those inner changes that we all look for: better health, better abundance, more peace, more joy, fulfillment, success in life. So if you're interested in anything like that, you just have to call the office, speak to me, and I'd be honoured to explain that more deeply.
And because of the fact that we can join together on these live streams, that means that if you, for example, are interested in teaching or ministerial training, it's a very real thing. Even if you live in North Scotland or in West Wales, you can still actually, in a very real sense, join in and have those aspirations, have those visions, because we can accommodate those kind of connections, can't we, in a very practical way.
Absolutely, and it really does feel like we create a family experience online. There's 6 or 8 of us that are going through study right now in leadership training, and there's a real ease. We know each other now, we've done so much together. There's a real sense of family coming together, of supporting, encouraging, joking, learning and growing. So it's a wonderful thing. And I also want to say, actually, Steve, about the book discussion group that Paul runs. Paul leads it using Zoom technology. And that's a way of getting more involved in the Unity understanding without studying for credit. It's a nice introduction way, a gentle way of getting into Unity and some of the teachings. So that's ongoing. There are also details for that online, and you can also call the office and we can talk that through as well.
Wonderful. Well, that's a lot to think about, so we'll leave it there. I know there are other things which we'll perhaps come to later in the year. Retreats, of course, is very important. That's going to be a new retreat programme which we're building up at this moment. But this is probably enough to be thinking about at the moment, and we'll come to retreats next time round.
And all the Christmas services, we'll do that in December.
Yes, absolutely, yeah. So watch this space for another segment closer to Christmas and a lot of new things that we're going to chat about. Meantime, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve. Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.